Adolf Hitler, a name synonymous with cruelty and destruction, stands as the central figure of the Nazi regime that plunged the world into the chaos of World War II. Hitler's radical ideologies and totalitarian rule led to an era of unparalleled suffering and loss. Orchestrating the Holocaust, he initiated the systematic extermination of millions, forever staining history with his atrocities. Heinrich Himmler, a sinister architect in Hitler's regime, held the reins of the SS with an iron grip. Himmler's calculated cruelty manifested in the Holocaust's gruesome machinery, orchestrating the mass genocide that annihilated innocent lives. His dedication to the Nazi cause fueled the unimaginable suffering endured by countless victims. Joseph Goebbels, the mastermind behind Nazi propaganda, wielded a different yet equally devastating weapon. His manipulation of information through relentless propaganda campaigns shaped public opinion and bolstered the regime's grip on power. Goebbels' skillful dissemination of false narratives misled multitudes, perpetuating the regime's reign of terror. Hermann Göring, Hitler's confidant and a key Nazi official, played a significant role in crafting the regime's policies. His involvement spanned across military and aviation, leaving a destructive mark on both. Göring's influence contributed to the machinery of war and oppression, amplifying the devastation wrought by the Nazi regime. In the darkest corners of this malevolent machinery was Rudolf Höss, commandant of Auschwitz, an epitome of the horrors perpetrated. Under his administration, Auschwitz became a symbol of unfathomable suffering, a place where systematic extermination unfolded with chilling precision. Höss's efficient management of genocide encapsulated the depths of human depravity. Collectively, these figures wove a tapestry of terror that scarred humanity's collective memory. Hitler's zealous pursuit of power, Himmler's calculated genocide, Goebbels' manipulative narratives, Göring's destructive influence, and Höss's administrative horrors stand as chilling reminders of the depths to which unchecked ideology can descend. Their legacies serve as a stark warning, urging us to remember the past and prevent such atrocities from ever happening again.